quad stretch on a wall. So don't let the name fool you. This can actually be a relatively difficult stretch. And if you have a medicine ball or a yoga block or other sort of object, it can help you get in and out of this stretch. So what I like to do is I'll be padding up my back knee. You can do that with an ab mat or a towel. So what we do is place our foot in a natural position up against the wall, the knees on the pad, okay? And then from here, that front foot is forward. You want to try to keep your torso nice and upright. You saw that I had used the medicine ball to get in and out of the position. I really feel that stretch here in the quad as well as the hips. And if you want, if you're more flexible, you can add a twisting component to it. But this right here is pretty good for me. So be careful getting in and out of this, and then you'll repeat on both sides. And that right there is a quad stretch on the wall.